Good evening, everyone. I'm Deanna Giles. David and Ann are off tonight. The commission in charge of drawing electoral maps in Michigan has been ordered by federal courts to redraw immediately, saying the maps proposed are illegal. With multiple resignations over the past week and a special election coming up this week, News 10's Jordan Burrell is live in the newsroom with details on the matter.
Deanna, 3 members of Michigan's Redistricting Commission have resigned following a court order stating that the maps that they took a year and a half to draw are illegal. The Secretary of State's office announced that there will be a special live stream election to fill those empty seats in 2 days on January 3rd. Federal courts have declared 13 House and Senate districts in the Metro Detroit area a complete mess and ordering the Michigan Independent Redistricting Commission to go back to the drawing board.
What the courts ruled was that the commission had taken race into too much account and into primary count in splitting up black voters in these Detroit districts, such that there were no districts that were a majority of black voters, no districts that were fully in Detroit, and instead Detroit voters were combined with voters in the suburbs.
The courts call that illegal influencing by race. Following the court order, 3 members of the commission resigned: MC Rothhorn, Douglas Clark, and Dustin Witjes. And with the task to fill the seats ahead, the commission still faces the decision to appeal the federal court order.
I would like at this time to make a motion. I would move that we file a notice of appeal and appeal with the United States Supreme Court.
That decision not sitting well with some commissioners.
I'm going to let the public know my opinion on it transparently. I am adamantly against appealing it. I think the court got the ruling right.
After being encouraged by the commission's legal counsel to make the decision in a closed session, the group took a recess, but when they came back, a decision was still unable to be made as not enough members of the commission rejoined the meeting.
So the state and the public is paying us to do this job, and they pretty much sabotaged this meeting on purpose.
With no ability to decide and no upcoming meetings set, what's next? An election in 2 days to fill the 3 vacant seats, and that will be live streamed on their social media, and the courts will decide within the next week how these maps will be redrawn and who will do it. Live in the newsroom, I'm Jordan Burrell, News 10.